You're working out, you're trying to eat better, but the results you used to see in your 20s just aren't happening anymore. If you're over 30 and feel like your workouts stopped working, you're not imagining it. But it's not because your body is broken, it's because your strategy hasn't evolved. Let's talk about what really changes after 30 and how to fix it. First, metabolism does not crash overnight. The idea that your metabolism suddenly shuts down at 30 is exaggerated. However, subtle changes do happen. Muscle mass naturally declines with age if you're not actively maintaining it. Since muscle burns more calories than fat, losing muscle slightly reduces your daily calorie burn. Over time, this contributes to slower progress. If you're doing the same workouts you did years ago without focusing on strength training, that could be the first problem. After 30, strength training becomes non-negotiable. Many people rely heavily on cardio, long treadmill sessions, cycling, or group classes. Cardio burns calories during the workout, but without resistance training, you're not sending a strong signal to maintain muscle. Less muscle means lower metabolism. Lower metabolism makes fat loss harder. Second, recovery changes. In your 20s, you could train hard, sleep poorly, and still see results. After 30, recovery becomes more important. Poor sleep increases cortisol. Elevated cortisol can promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen. If you're training intensely but sleeping 5 or 6 hours per night, your body may resist fat loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Recovery is when progress happens. Third, lifestyle becomes more sedentary. Careers, family responsibilities, stress, daily movement often decreases in your 30s compared to your teens or early 20s. Even if you work out for 45 minutes, sitting the rest of the day reduces total calorie burn. This is where daily steps matter. Increasing non-exercise movement can dramatically improve fat loss without increasing gym time. Fourth, hormones shift gradually. Testosterone levels in men slowly decline. Estrogen and progesterone balance can shift in women. These changes influence muscle retention, fat distribution, and energy levels. The solution is not extreme dieting, it's smarter training and nutrition. High protein intake becomes even more important after 30. Protein helps preserve muscle during calorie deficits and supports recovery. Aim for protein at every meal. This supports metabolism and reduces muscle loss. Fifth, your body adapts to repetitive workouts. If you've been doing the same routine for years, your body has become efficient at it. Efficiency means fewer calories burned for the same effort. Progressive overload is essential. That means increasing weight, reps, sets, or reducing rest over time. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Another issue is chronic dieting. Many people over 30 have years of on and off dieting behind them. Repeated aggressive calorie restriction can reduce metabolic rate temporarily and increase fatigue. Instead of extreme cuts, focus on a moderate calorie deficit. Sustainable fat loss is more effective long-term. Stress also plays a larger role after 30. Career pressure, financial responsibilities, and family life increase stress hormones. Chronic stress impacts sleep, appetite, and fat storage. This is why recovery days, walking, mobility work, and balanced training matter. You cannot out-train high stress with more intensity. Here's what works better after 30. 3 to 4 sessions of strength training focusing on compound movements like squats, push-ups, lunges, rows, and deadlift variations. Daily walking to increase overall calorie burn, high-protein balanced meals instead of extreme restriction, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and progressive overload in your workouts. When you adjust your strategy, your results return. Your body after 30 is not weaker, it just demands smarter programming. Many people think they need harder workouts. In reality, they need better recovery and structured progression. If you feel stuck in a workout plateau, don't panic. Reevaluate your routine. Increase strength training, track your protein, improve sleep, and add daily movement. Small adjustments can restart progress. Aging is not the problem. Outdated habits are. Your 30s and 40s can be some of your strongest years if you train intelligently. And if you want more science-based guidance for fitness after 30 and strategies to break through workout plateaus, subscribe and follow for practical advice you can apply immediately. Why do workouts seem to stop working after 30? If you're struggling with fitness after 30, metabolism slowdown, or a frustrating workout plateau, this video explains what's really happening and how to fix it. We break down how muscle loss, recovery changes, hormonal shifts, stress, and reduced daily movement can impact fat loss and performance. You'll learn why strength training becomes more important with age, how protein intake supports metabolism, and why sleep and recovery play a bigger role than ever before. This video also covers how to use progressive overload to avoid plateaus, why excessive cardio may slow progress, and how daily steps can increase total calorie burn without overtraining. If you feel like your metabolism has slowed down or your usual workouts are no longer delivering results, this guide will help you adjust your strategy and regain momentum. Train smarter, recover better, break through your plateau after 30.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Share this video with someone who might find it useful. Comment below what you want to see in the next video.